Phrase 1. Take turns at something. Meaning. For two or more people, to alternate in doing something. Example. Let's take turns with mowing the lawn. Do you want to take turns at answering the telephone? Phrase 2. Discern something from someone or something. Meaning. To learn or determine something from someone or something. Example. We discerned a lot from the eyewitnesses. We discerned a lot from our discussions with the past president. Phrase 3. True to form. Meaning. Exactly as expected. Following the usual pattern. Example. And true to form, Mary left before the meeting was adjourned. As usual, John is late. At least he's running true to form. Phrase 4. Laugh oneself silly. Meaning. To laugh very, very hard. Example. I laughed myself silly when I heard that Stephen was really going to give the graduation address. Phrase 5. Arrange some music for something. Meaning. To prepare or adapt music for particular instruments or for a particular musical key. Example. Paul arranged the piece for piano. This piece was arranged for the guitar by Frank's brother. Phrase 6. Fall behind someone or something. Meaning. To lag behind someone or something. Example. You have fallen behind everyone else in class. Our production fell behind that of the other production line. Phrase 7. Door to door. Meaning. 1. Lit. Having to do with movement from one door to another or from one house to another. Example. We went door to door, collecting money. John is a door-to-door salesman. And is selling books door to door. Phrase 8. Tight as Dick's hatband. Meaning. Very tight. Example. I've got to lose some weight. My belt is as tight as Dick's hatband. This window is stuck tight as Dick's hatband. Phrase 9. Booze up. Meaning. To drink heavily. Example. Stop boozing up and go home. Those guys are always boozing up. Phrase 10. Insure someone or something against something for something. Meaning. To provide insurance for someone or something against certain perils up to a certain amount of money. Example. We insured the car for its current value against all losses. I insured my wife against accidental death for $100,000.